In today's video, we're going to be looking at our macOS time machine and what that means. So to access our time machine settings, we click the Apple logo in the top left and go to System Settings, and then we click on Time Machine. From here, you can see when your last time machine backup was, but what is a time machine backup? Well, Time Machine is Apple's way of backing up your device as to how it was at a set point in time. So all of your data, all of your settings, all of your files, they're all going to be saved to this Time Machine. And if for whatever reason you corrupt your file, corrupt your hard drive, or need to get a new device, you can unload that Time Machine onto a device so you've got it exactly how it was when you set it up. It's good for if you need to reset your MacBook, get rid of files, then bring it back in, or just in case you don't want to lose any important files or everything on your MacBook, it's good to do. You can do it to an external drive, or you can set a drive in your MacBook to do it as well, and partition a device, but I'd always recommend just keeping a separate hard drive to hand in case something happens. Oldest backups do get deleted when your disk becomes full, so please be aware if you've got any older files you want to keep onto, but it's a really useful tool to help you staying on top of what you've got on your device. You don't want to lose anything if you lose your device, which is why I'd recommend keeping it on an external hard drive. You can also choose to see it in the menu bar, so if you want